Traco Power's new TXO product line offers compact AC/DC open frame power supplies with 3000-volt reinforced I/O isolation designed for a wide range of cost-sensitive applications. Excellent temperature behavior allows full load operation up to plus 50 degrees Celsius without derating. The TXO line offers various standard features such as internal EMI Class B filters, short circuit protection, overcurrent limitation, and overvoltage protection. All models within the TXO line comply with the latest industrial safety certifications. Key specifications of the TXO series are cost-efficient design, reinforced I/O isolation of 3000 volts AC, compact 3x2-inch package, excellent efficiency up to 92%. These series offer a total of 12 different models. The TXO series establish our new line of cost-efficient open-frame AC/DC power supplies starting with 3 power levels between 45 and 120 watt. For more information, data sheets, and certifications, please visit our website www.tracopower.com.